That's a question that gets asked a lot by restoration contractors. My company used a network-based program called the Job Processing Program, JPP. It was the lifeblood of our company. Everything important was tracked in JPP. It was a depository of every important piece of information related to every job on our books. Before selling our business, we were completing 800 jobs a year: mitigation, mold, roofing, fire, rebuild, and remodel. There was so much information that needed to be tracked for the daily operation, and data that was used to make long-range strategic business decisions. JPP helped us do that, and I can't imagine what life would have been like without it. Today there are a number of wonderful cloud-based programs available that can do so much more than JPP did for us. The problem is most of them are closed systems that allow only minimal tweaking of its program templates, and they are just too expensive for the average small or mid-sized company. Every restoration company needs a comprehensive company-wide process and project management system, but most in this size range can't afford it. Your business suffers and your stress is increased without the help such a program provides. What you need is System 100. This is a new software program designed for restoration contractors. It is an open system allowing you to easily change each and every template and create your own. Whether you need help with project management, scheduling, quality assurance, material cost controls, photo and form depository, or any of the tasks, functions, and systems of your business, System 100 will meet your need. Not only is System 100 comprehensive, but it is affordable. At $179 a month, every company can afford this amazing management system package. If you need a company-wide process and project management tool to help you effectively manage your business, you will love System 100. Call today at 888-496-8180 or begin with the 20-minute System 100 demo. https://www.system100.com/ To get a special 50% off the already low setup fees, call today and use offer code ENTREPRENEUR to lock in your discount.